Making money with a side hustle is something many people want, especially when you are busy with a job, studies, or other responsibilities. Today, one of the fastest growing way to earn extra income is using AI tool. Artificial intelligence can help you to do the task faster, automate work, and even create products that can earn money while you sleep. In this video, I will share some of the best side hustles you can start with AI, explained simply so beginner can follow and start right away. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find real ways to earn money online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to check out the special offer and tools that help you to start AI powered side hustles faster. By using the description links, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically. So you get the best value without extra effort. Let's begin with AI content writing services. Many business need blogs, social media posts, product description and website text but don't have time to write. You can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or other similar tools to write content fast. You can edit it to make it better and sell writing services to small businesses, bloggers, and online stores. This side hustle is great because you can start with no experience, and AI helps you to create quality content quickly. Another strong side hustle is AI powered graphic design. Tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, or Midjourney let you create logos, social media graphics, posters, and promotional images without advanced design skills. You can sell designs on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or directly to the local businesses. This is an easy way to earn if you enjoy creativity and want to make money from design work. Next is AI voiceover and video creation. With tools like Pictory, Descript, or 11 Labs, you can turn script into voiceover, videos, or engaging clips for the client. Many content creator and business need the voiceover for YouTube videos, ads, online courses, or social media posts. You can offer these services as a side hustle and let AI handle the voiceover and editing, saving time while still earning. A rising side hustle is AI assisted online courses and coaching. If you know a skill like language learning, fitness, drawing, or business basics, you can use AI to help you plan your course, write lesson script, create the visual, and even build quizzes. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Podia make it simple to sell your courses. You don't have to be an expert. AI can help organize your knowledge into a course format so you can start earning. Social media management with AI is another great option. Many small businesses want to stay active online but don't know what to post every day. With AI tools, you can create social media calendar, write post captions, and schedule the content in advance. This saves your clients time and gives you steady income for managing their profiles. You can add simple analytics reports too, which help you to show the results and earn more. Another idea is AI driven resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers often need help making their resume look modern and professional. You can use AI to write or improve the resumes, cover letters, or LinkedIn profiles and help people land better jobs. This is a useful side hustle because many people will pay for the professional writing that helps them get hired faster. Another side hustle that is growing quickly is AI generated digital products. For example, you can create printable template, planner, ebooks, or stock images and sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own LinkedIn bio page. With AI, you can generate ideas, write descriptions, and package products quickly so you can earn even when you are sleeping. And there are hundreds of more options available like automated AI chatbot, the AI assisted translation if you know more than one language. Basically, no matter which side hustle you choose, the key is to start small, learn as you go, and use the AI tools to improve your speed and quality. You don't have to do everything at once. Focus on one idea, get good at it, then add more income streams as you grow. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope these AI side hustle ideas helped you to see the real way to earn extra income with the help of AI tools. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tutorial and ways to grow your income online. And don't forget to use the links in the description to explore the special offers and tools. Any discounts, they will be applied automatically when you use them. I will see you in the next video where we share more practical tips to help you succeed.